Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a really simple way how you can add a new page in Prestashop. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just click on design and let's go like to pages in Prestashop. And here you can have option to add a new page category or add a new page. Now I'm going to add a new page. I can here like, okay, category home, title. I can go like, I don't know, contact us. I'm going to leave the meta title and meta description alone. Meta keywords, again, you can add it, or you can add the meta description on this page. You can contact us. You can change the language here, and then you're going to select the page content here that you can add and edit. Really simple, really easy. When I would go save and preview, you can then preview the website if you want to. And yeah, then you get like recommended modules that you can add here, like blogging site and everything. And that's pretty much it. So this is how you can add a page in Prestashop. This is like the simple quick video in demo version. And yeah.